After the setup, we need to run the software. Just double click on the shortcut of the software. So the interface will be like this. Here is the interface. We will maximize it so it will be shown on full screen. After restarting the software, the light in the device, it will blink. It is port 1, so yellow light or orange color light will be displayed, and the interface will be like that. S11 log mag. We can change the format and the other things from the menu. See, this is the menu. So there are a lot of things which we can measure or change from the menu. This is the measurement. Okay, when we select the display, number of traces to 4 and allocate traces to 4 windows like this. So the different S parameters, S21, S22 and S11, S12, these will be displayed. So when we turn on the number of traces to 4, then we will see that the both of the light in the device will start blinking. So see, this is the software. I think it's very user friendly, very easy to operate.